Hey y'all, it's me. I have already cleaned and washed my chicken. Today we're having chicken and broccoli and cheese roulade. I have some frozen chopped broccoli. I have already let this thaw out. Use fresh broccoli if you like. I am grating up some sharp cheddar cheese, Tillamook. Use the cheese of your brand. Next, I'm going to do Parmesan cheese. I have a shallot. Slice it. Dice it. I'm going to cut the chicken breast in half, lengthwise, butterfly it. So I'm going to have a total of 4 pieces after the 2 chicken breasts that I had. Use chicken thighs if you want, whatever cut you want to use. Black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, my fave, onion powder, Italian seasoning, complete seasoning. I didn't get to record this part, but I flattened out the chicken breast so that way that it would cook even. Hot pan. Add in my shallot. Now I didn't want anything to be crunchy, so that's why I'm sauteing this up inside of the pan. And I'm going to also add in my chopped broccoli to get that soft as well. Just a few minutes, not too long. Getting the cast iron hot. Dropping some bacon. Flipped it over. Here it's done. And then I used my kitchen shears to chop it up. I was lazy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. A thin layer. Some cheddar cheese. And now add the broccoli and shallots. Add your bacon. And I rolled this up from the smallest to the biggest end. Real tight. And then I went ahead and placed this inside of my pan to sear it on the side to close it up. I did end up changing pans out just because I didn't want it too smoky inside of my house. So I did end up putting it inside of the oven, covering it up with some foil on 375 degrees, and I cooked it for about 15 minutes and checked it and added more time if needed. I've got some steamed broccoli that I seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper and butter. And here is the end result. I feel like it probably should have had some type of gravy on top of it or something like that. But it did taste really good. It was the first time I made this. I saw this on TikTok and decided to go ahead and make it. Maybe I could have added maybe some cream cheese or something like that. I'm not really sure. I felt like it was missing a little bit of something, but it was still overall a really good dish. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, thanks for watching.